Hello everybody. Today I wanted to try something new and do a little mini vlog again. So this morning I went to class. I had 3 classes, and now since I don't want to study I'm going to do some shopping, household shopping, chores. So I'm bringing you with me. It's a nice day too, so I have Asian products to buy now, so we're gonna change locations. Okay, so we've arrived. Let's see. The fried onions. This is really good. Maybe I should try the beef bulgogi. I saw my Korean friend take these one time, so I want to try it. Should have taken a bigger bag or something, because it was pretty before, but now it's looking kind of cloudy.
Il a changé le câble, il a changé la...
This is my new pajama fit. I honestly could go out with this, like on a picnic or something. With my girlies. I also did a little closet cleanup. So these are the 3 bags that I'm gonna give, because I have way too many freaking clothes. It's 8 o'clock right now and I'm super hungry. Forget that there's no rice. Should I eat the ramyeon? Ew, ramyeon, extra spicy. And I have some leftover samgyeopsal. So I'm still gonna watch some rice, but since it takes like 25-30 minutes to cook, I'm gonna eat it after. I'm so hungry. Woo! Ooh! Can you see this color? Yo. What? 언니꽃 예쁘지? 잘 먹겠습니다. 와우. 김치. 삼겹살. 라면. 잘 먹었습니다. This is what my mom is gonna eat. And she'll add some rice. T'as mis de l'avocat?
Quand est-ce que je n'ai pas fait de bien à manger?
C'est vraiment trop drôle, dis donc. Hein.
Non.
Since I don't have class tomorrow and the day after, I don't know if I'm gonna study now. I'm kind of lazy and I just ate, so I think we're gonna wrap it up here. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any ideas or suggestions, just tell me in the comments. Thank you for the support, really.